I'm going to meet a Kenyan content creator who is here in my hometown. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mandora Freda, the African girl. So today is a very special kind of video. As you can see, I'm all dressed up. I'm heading out from home. Yeah, I'm going to meet a Kenyan content creator who is here in my hometown. Yeah, so we are going to be doing some videos together, but I'm going to meet her in town and then we head to our first location of the shoot. The very many great videos coming up. Please just keep on subscribing, turn on new post notifications, share, and drop your comments down below. What do you think about it? So let me quickly rush to town. We meet up and then we head off to our first location. See you all. So like I said earlier, I'm going to meet a Kenyan YouTuber. I think this is the first YouTuber I'm going to meet physically. Yes, so she's here in my hometown. Guess who the person is, guys? Just guess in the comment section below. So she's currently in Uganda and she's a Kenyan YouTuber. So she flew in a few days ago and we had our first meeting. So this is going to be our second meeting and we planned on a couple of activities to do while she's here. She's here for some time, so we're going to do videos together. So I'll tell you who she is later in the video, but keep watching if you want to know who this person is. Okay, yeah. So she also does a lot of village content the way I do. So I'm here in these trees waiting for my board. I called him, he said he's on the way, so we're supposed to be meeting by midday and it's 11:06 a.m. so from here to town is just about 10 minutes on a border and I'll be there. So just keep subscribing to our channels, commenting and watching our videos. So all of us are content creators now. We're here.
And I have my snacks, so let no one tell me, assist me in whatever. You're laughing at my takeaway. You didn't do that well.
When I read this, I started to think about this dust. So guys, we're here. We finally met again and I'm here with the content creator and I'm going to unveil her in a few minutes. The count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Here she is.
Hi guys. Hi. How do you say hi in your language?
Emingoni.
Did I say it correctly?
Yes.
Okay, hi guys, how are you doing? My name is QueenNancie from Kenya, East Africa, Africa. Coming live from a village in Uganda, East Africa, Africa. Yes, this place is called
Oluko.
Kai. Don't mind how I'm pronouncing these names. You know, I'm an Ilot from Kenya. Hi. And there, okay. Are you people, what is your subgroup?
We are the Lugbaras.
The Lug.
But this is the Aivo clan.
Okay guys, I can't even pronounce them, but I'm here. I'm in Uganda. I'm so happy to meet Freda, the African girl.
Yes.
Yay! I'm a village girl as well from Kenya, so I blend well in the village. And right now we are in the village. Stay tuned. If you're watching this from my channel, kindly let's take Freda to 1,000 subscribers. She's on the way to 1,000 and on the road to monetization, right? So we have to do it before we leave Uganda. It's been amazing. I've met her and I felt like we've known each other for quite some good time. The chemistry is chemistry.
Exactly.
because we are all village girls, you know. And when you find someone that you're vibing with, you kick it on, like just from the start, you get the ball rolling. So we are here. Something interesting is on the way coming. So kindly like the video, subscribe, leave a sweet comment, and tell her that Queen sent you here.
And those of you who are from my channel, please go to her YouTube channel and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications.
Exactly.
Because you're not ready for what is coming. Okay, so I'll leave her link in the description, so just click on it and go and subscribe to her channel. Let's support our sister all the way from Kenya, who has come to explore,
Yes,
and tour our place in Uganda. And let's support her, okay, as she also supports me.
exactly.
Yes, so that's what we do for each other as content creators.
Yeah.
All right, see you.
I'm having my sweater right here, and also they are not banned in Uganda the way they're banned in Kenya. In Kenya, we do that.
Use your swimming skills to save us. Hey, you thought you were only coming to see, but you'll swim.
What? It's recording. Yeah, even the screen goes blank, it's recording. Click on that sound.
So already here, you can hear the sounds of the water. Oh, Madam is there.
Botungan lalu kiri sudah ini kami lari ini lari ya ini lokasi itu ini mata kita kita apa dulu kita kami itu apa dulu kamu ini jangan jadi dia
Mira. So So guys, we've played in the water enough. Nancy and the other lady are feeling cold, so I've left them, and I've just seen this path, so I'm following. I don't know where it goes. I'm following to see what is there. Wow, yo, guys, look at that. Nice one. So those are people's farms, and I'm just moving. I've seen some boys, I don't know what they're doing, so let me go and see. The guy I've been talking to is the one who takes care of this place. He says the land in which this waterfall belongs to him, so yeah, the one who takes care of it. So he's there leveling because he wants to he told me he wants to plant some trees there. Yeah. Oh, nice one. Some grass. Angela, I'm going. What's your zaro? You call your rest song, learn Malera. Imekaa nyadi ah? Imekaa nyadi. This is in Arawa. It's so beautiful here, guys. Look at that. The farms. Beautiful. So the guy told me this side also belongs to someone, and the person is trying to level it so that people can come and also sit here and have their time. So guys, that is it for this video. We are out of the water, so we are finally going out. If you're coming to Aroa and you want to come to these falls, please let me know so that I can also bring you here. Okay, it's a very good place if you know how to swim. So yeah, it's a very nice place. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, drop your comments down below, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye guys. Huh? That man. There's a man there.